Hi everyone, back with Bassingtons. Today I'm going to do a shotgun unboxing, and it is of a gun that is in very, very high demand, and at the time of recording this vlog is very difficult to get hold of one, mainly because most of the dealers have sold out of their allocation of this gun up till the year end of, that is, of 2025. So they're now taking orders right the way through to 2026. So without further ado, I will do the unboxing. And here it is. And as you can tell by the case, it is that of a Browning. I have to say the case it comes in is very, very nice. It's by Negrini. I do like the color combination as well, the sort of black and the silver. And I will open the box, and here is the gun. It is the Browning Pro Sport. This is a 32-inch variant. I will do a more detailed review on this gun and give you my thoughts as what I think of it. But I have to say, it looks a stunning gun. Browning, I think, have done a really good job on the aesthetics of this gun, the design of it. And you look at that and you think, yeah, it does look like a more expensive gun than what it actually costs. As I say, I'll do a more detailed review of this gun, but in the meantime, stay tuned.